Good afternoon, class. I just wanted to make this short video. It's been a few weeks and I apologize for that. I feel like this block has gone by exceptionally fast. I don't know about the rest of you, but I can't believe that this month will be over in just a little over a week. It'll be March. So it's gone by really fast. But I did want to touch base with you all today to talk about this last module that we're going to be starting. Hopefully you have had a chance to look at it. If you notice, it's the way it is built. Um, it's set up like a final project. Okay, so this module 7, you have 2 weeks to complete. Do not wait to start on it. If you have not started already, please do so because even though there are only 5 uh, what you would call assignments, um, it built up the final project for this course. So do not wait. Start on it immediately. So that way, if you fall into any difficulties, um, you can reach out right away. Don't wait until the last Saturday of um, week 8 and email me because typically I do not have I do not reach out or I do not check emails on the weekends. I'm available Monday through Thursday on campus, and then Friday I'm available by email as well. You can schedule appointments with me either on campus or through Zoom, whichever works best for you. I'm in the office this afternoon, for example. So if you have questions, I need to know about those as soon as possible. Do not wait until the last minute, especially for this final project. So get started on it right away. Get done what you can, and if you finish early, that's even better. You'll finish the block sooner than later. So if you have any questions or concerns, though, don't hesitate to reach out to me. Send me an email or send me a message through Canvas. Schedule that appointment with me so that way we can work through those. Otherwise, have a great rest of your week. Happy Monday. The sun is shining. And have a great day.